Hi, my name is Samrat Goyal. Welcome to my life page. Today we are going to talk about entrepreneurship, but before that I'd like to introduce myself. I completed my schooling from Modern School in Delhi. I did the science stream in Modern School. After which I did an undergraduate course in mathematics from Delhi University, Hansraj College. I was really interested in the field of finance, so I pursued a MSc in finance from the London School of Economics after that. And I wanted to join the corporate world after that. So I worked for 2 years in corporates, various corporates. And then I took a plunge into entrepreneurship, which I felt that I always wanted to do. Me and a friend of mine, we started Broomberg, which is a cleaning services company in 2014 January. We felt there was a need for professional cleaning services in this country, and there was nobody offering such services. So we wanted to get into this space first. Post that, we've been doing this work for around 4 years, and we are very successful in Delhi. We are the largest player in the cleaning services space in Delhi. Entrepreneurship. So, according to me, entrepreneurship is if we are able to find an opportunity and we can create value by providing services or products to customers in that opportunity, then we start a company and we start producing those products or marketing those products or selling those services to different consumers. So it's basically an opportunity that an individual or a group of individuals feels that they can make profit out of. So we felt that in the cleaning services space there was nobody and there was significant opportunity, and that's why we got into this space. And we were rightly rewarded in doing so after saying in retrospect after 4 years. First point is accounts and finance. In the functioning of any business, money is a very essential part, and understanding how money flows, how to raise money, how to deal with money, cash flows, balance sheets, profits and losses is very important for the success of any business. So it is essential that we have a strong base in accounts. First one is effective communication. To sell your product or service effectively, you need to communicate to your consumer, to your buyer, that what is it exactly that you're selling and what is it exactly that you need. That only happens when you speak or write, and that is strong command on your language. So you have to be an effective communicator. You are your own boss. So you take the decisions, you decide what you want to do, where you want to go, how you want to do it, how much time you want to spend on it. So it's very liberating for any individual who believes in taking decisions, who likes taking decisions. First one is uncertainty. Uncertainty because you don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. You try to make sure, you try to build a safe environment, but everything is not in your control. So you may draw you may draw salary today, but tomorrow you may not have enough business to draw your own salary. So there is uncertainty. In the initial days when we were setting up Broomberg, my day used to start at 8 a.m. and never ended before 10 p.m. Because we were setting up things and we were working 7 days a week. That continued for a year and a half because we needed to set up things quickly. After that, after we set up things effectively, we had a team in place. Our days became better in the sense of working hours at least. My day starts at 9 a.m. today. I complete my office tasks in the morning and have my lunch. After lunch, I do more outside tasks wherein I need to go and meet people or sell things or basically create business for Broomberg. My day usually ends by 7:30 these days. I hope I've given you a balanced view of entrepreneurship. Thank you.